And my class project is about a healthcare application called HealthBridge. Um, as per World Health Organization, there is a global shortage of 4.3 million physicians, nurses, and healthcare professionals, and it is even starkest in developing and underdeveloped countries. Patients in this kind of situations, they have to travel very long distances to get diagnosis and treatment plan. Opportunity evaluation. So as I mentioned, there is a clear problem. Can ML solve it? Yes, ML can solve the problem for non-complex medical symptoms using augmentation, and it is much better than the current solution, because the current solution requires long distance travels and long wait times. Does someone care? Common people care to get, because they want to get quick diagnosis and treatment. Governments, they want to provide better healthcare facilities, or better healthcare for their citizen. And doctors and healthcare facilities, they want to see more patients and increase their revenue. um, Crisp DM business understanding, who are the target user, common people, doctors and healthcare facilities. There is a problem. Yes, there is a problem. Why it matters? Because if simple medical symptoms are not treated in time, then it can lead to serious issues. And doctors and medical healthcare facilities, they want to increase their revenues. What is the current state? As I mentioned, people have to travel long distances and wait long time to get the diagnosis and treatment plan. How the success would look like? Patients get timely diagnosis and treatment, and doctors and healthcare systems, they can increase their revenue. Some metrics that I would measure. So correct diagnosis prediction generated by the system, and MAC should be less than 10%. Uh, Doctors and healthcare facilities, they should be able to see 20% more patients, and over like on monthly basis, compared to average of past 12 months. And diagnosis time for patients should be reduced by 40% or more. um, what are the relevant factors? Medical facilities and number of doctors in the close proximity, and severity of symptoms. How the solution would look like? As mentioned in the next slide, the solution will collect data from the users in the form of text, images, or videos, and multiple ML models will be trained on this historical data, and the model performing best would be put into deployment. And iterative experiments, so test the model with the test data set, measure the error on the generated output before deploying into production. Once the model is in production, measure the metrics on the live data, and if any issues are observed, debug the issue and deploy. Here is the overall block diagram of the system. ML system design, is it edge or cloud AI? So HealthBridge can use hybrid AI, where it can store pre-computed predictions for very simple symptoms on the device, and exploit local data centers or servers. In case if cost of local data centers and servers are prohibitive, cloud AI will also work. Offline or online learning. This is the model can be trained on offline data collected over certain period, maybe weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and batch or online prediction. This is online prediction system, because patients, they want to see the diagnosis report right away after describing their symptoms. What are the potential risks in the production? So training and serving skew. If the model is trained with large amount of complex medical symptoms, or limited or very excessive number of images or videos, it may not be true presentation of real live data. Data drift. If the government decides to open more healthcare facilities and medical colleges, then the overall need and usefulness of the HealthBridge may reduce, even though the model output won't change in terms of accurate prediction of diagnosis. Thank you.